first time attending this building Sandcastle. Very exciting.
Really amazing.
Fantastic.
It's very interesting to wake up so early to come all the way. It's worth it.
It's fun, it's something new and very creative.
Well, on the first day itself, we are already learning how to build our sandcastle. Initially, when we were given this task, we were thinking it's impossible. By going through Andrew Lau's training, it can be done.
We learned a lot from this course, especially team building.
We know we could make it.
The teamwork that actually we get to know each other.
Show how to do it.
We find the impossible possible.
So for those actually you want to get close to your team members,
I would 100% recommend you guys
And send your team here.
come and take a look.
this is the way.
You won't regret it. You definitely won't be disappointed. It's all worthy of your investment.
Having fun. We are having fun.